Apalit, this is my simple question. Why do you deserve to be the next Mr. Pampanga 2026?
Pwede ba pakiulit?
Okay, again. Why do you deserve to be the next Mr. Pampanga 2026?
Deserve ko pumunta sa Mr. Pampanga kasi ipapakita ko po yung best ko and kaya ko pong gawin yung ang isang tungkulin ng pagiging Mr. Pampanga. And yun lang po.
Hi everyone. Hi, my name is Ans from Diverse Camp PH. I'd like to direct this question to Mr. Sasmuan. Yeah, so my question to you is, being the last candidate to be actually launched when they started this pageant this year, how do you handle pressure and follow up? What do you think are the qualities that the org is looking for the next winner?
Basically po, di naman po ako na-pressure masyado because sumali po ako ng Mr. Pampanga to represent Kapampangan. And the qualities, I hope, the qualities I think the Mr. Pampanga have is intelligence, compassion, and also respect. Because intelligence builds trust and compassion inspires action and respect. This is basic human decency. Thank you.
For Mr. San Luis. So, aside from the word Masanting, in one word, what other Kapampangan word would you use to describe yourself?
Siyempre po, magana ka. Doon po nakikita yung sa salitang magana ka, doon po nakikita yung isang Kapampangan na pwedeng ikalat sa iba. Yun na po. Thank you.
Good afternoon, this is Michael of Pageants Fanatic. My question is for City of Fernando. San Fernando. Sorry. San Fernando, please. Okay. Sorry. Why do you think the organization should choose you as Mr. Pampanga 2026? Like ano yung pwede mong may offer sa organization?
One thing that I can offer to the organization is, of course, one thing na hinahanap ng org is confidence, while at the same time, I think being empathetic, especially with my fellow candidates. And for me personally, brotherhood din. So it will be a great experience for me, I guess.
Okay, thank you.
Hi, I'm DB from Pageant Talk. This is for Mabalacat. Bilang representante ng Kapampangan, makananumeng pagmaraguling Pampanga karang karatig bayan.
Thank you. Sorry for my voice. Honestly, I may not be a true Kapampangan, but growing up here in Pampanga, being born and raised, I believe that I embody the culture of every Kapampangan, and ipinagmamalaki ko po yun kasi in everyday na sa mga daily activities ko po, nakagisnan ko na rin po yung routine ng mga Kapampangan. And as a participant for Mr. Pampanga, I believe that I can show my deep love for passion and cultures of Kapampangan through my purpose and goal that I intend to show or leave remark to the audience or the people that will be watching on the coronation night.
Hi, good afternoon. My name is Jojo Mabanes, the pageantry platform, and I would like to call on Mr. Guagua. Hi, congratulations for being SASH official candidates for Mr. Pampanga 2026. So, can you rate yourself? How ready are you for this year's competition? 1 to 10, 10 being the highest.
I would say I would rate myself a solid 9 because joining this, I was always prepared and excited to show what I can do. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello, I'm Michelle Lopez from Pageant Nobles. So my question is for Mr. Arayat, Christian Campo.
Arayat?
Hi, Christian. So, okay.
Hello.
So you're from Arayat, and one of the mountains here in Pampanga is named after your municipality, Arayat. And I think there's a national park there, right? So how would you encourage everyone, not only from Pampanga and the Philippines and everyone, to protect the national sanctuary in your municipality?
Thank you so much. I was so grateful to represent Arayat because we have the heart of Pampanga, which is the Mount Arayat. One of my advocacy is not only for animal welfare but also for protecting our environment. Nowadays, we face calamities. That's why napaka-importante, no, na protektahan natin yung ating bundok, ating kapaligiran. Kasi kung ano man yung ating ginawa na masama sa ating environment, for sure, babalik at babalik yon. And I'm standing here also to promote Arayat. No? I want to show others that Arayat is not only for stopover. We have a beautiful mountain scenery, and we have people that has a empathetic and a kind heart. Thank you so much.
Hi, good afternoon. I would like to call Axel Hippolito. So we are from Giselle Mendoza's page, and my question for you is, once the crown is on your head, what is the very first project you will start?
First project kong gagawin is siguro po parang sa advocacy ko na rin din po. Para tungkol po sa mental health awareness po siguro. Kasi madami pong mga tao ngayon na kakaproblema sa mental awareness. Kumbaga, ipapalaganap po sa mga bata na kailangan natin maging mano sa sarili. Yun lang.
Thank you.
Hello, I am Dave from Elite Pale Pageantry PH. I would like to ask Mr. Mexico. Hello, give me 3 words that describe yourself.
Thank you for that question. 3 words that describe myself. First of all, I'm a very resilient person. As a Kapampangan, we all know that we are very resilient in every different ways.
I know that I have a lot of experience when it comes in failure and challenges. And I kept that things to inspire me, to motivate me, to strive harder for me to be able to achieve my goals in life. Second is to always kind. Because kindness, it's only free. So let's share it to one another, especially in this time of uncertainty. And lastly, the most importantly, is to have respect. Because if we respect one another, the word love comes within as well. Thank you.
Hi, good afternoon. For Mr. Florida Blanca. By the way, I'm Carl from Planet Pageant. So, it was mentioned or nagbigay ng mensahe kanina yung former or current Mr. Pampanga 2024. In a world where we live in a social media driven, how would you promote authenticity as Mr. Pampanga?
Again, pwede pong paulit.
In a world driven by social media, how are you going to promote authenticity?
Other than social media po, for everyone's information, I'm also an influencer po with slight followers, and I think other than social media, mas ma-appreciate ko po or papahalagaan ko po or ang Pampanga or may papakita ko po ang authenticity ng Kapampangan. Pag ito ay sinimulan ko sa akin sarili, kaya ako po ay naniniwala na bibigyan ko na lang po maging magandang halimbawa na lamang po sa kapwa ko using my social media and my followers to be a good sample to everyone. Thank you po.
Hi, good afternoon. This is Sherman. I'd like to ask Mr. San Luis. Ay, tapos na siya? Isita? Magalang. Pampanga is known as the culinary capital of the Philippines. Kung pagkain ka, ano ka?
I think Kapampangans are known for sisig. So I would say I'm a sisig just because I'm a mix of everything. I like to think of myself as enthusiastic, compassionate, and I try to do a little more than I can, and that's a good thing. And I think sisig is just that. That you kind of get a flavor from different types of vegetables, pork, sometimes beef, and yeah, I'll say I'm sisig. Thank you.
Hi, my question is for Santa Rita. I'm Maurice Life Pageantry. My question is, if you win the title, how will you use your influence to inspire the youth in your community?
Sorry.
Okay, my question is, if you win the title, how will you use your influence to inspire the youth in your community?
You know what? Sometimes in life, the main reason why we feel hopeless is because of our imperfections. And that is why if I am crowned Mr. Pampanga 2026, I will encourage young people to embrace their imperfections by reminding them that perfection is not the goal, growth is. Our flaws are not weaknesses, they are proof that we are human, learning and becoming better each day. I will encourage them to stop comparing their journey with others, but instead focus on improving their journey at their own pace. And I believe that using my platform, I will promote self-acceptance, confidence, and resilience, because when young people embrace who they are, including their imperfections, they become braver, more compassionate, and empowered to reach their full potential and serve their community with pride. Thank you.
Hi guys, I'm Gino from Gingerbex TV. Gusto kong i-ask si San Simon. Congratulations. My question is, you're representing your municipality which is San Simon. Ano yung best quality ng municipality mo na madadala mo sa Mr. Pampanga stage?
Feeling ko po yung best quality ng San Simon is yung mismong mga tao po. Yung mga taga San Simon ay mapanampalataya at malugod. Yan lamang po. Thank you.
Hi, good afternoon. Ferdy from Eventology. Can I ask Lubao, please? Thank you. Hi, Mr. Lubao. Can you give us 3 reasons why you should be crowned Mr. Pampanga 2026?
I should be the next Mr. Pampanga. First, because I'm not only masanting, but also magaling. Magaling makipamyabeking alawang tao, magaling sumaw, at magaling makipagtao para kay ngayon alawang tao. Second is, I'm very compassionate. Compassionate to the people around me, to everything that I do, I'm really compassionate. And lastly, because I am very goal-oriented. And my goal in Mr. Pampanga is to, of course, win the crown. And if I may win the crown, I will use it to empower the youth that in this world where we are criticized by others, it is important to stay authentic and staying true to your values is really important as well. Thank you.
Hello guys, congratulations Mr. Pampanga. So I'm Gerald from Gingerbex Pageantry. So tatanong ko po kay Bacolor. My question is, what advice would you give to your younger self?
Good afternoon. My advice to my younger self is to never give up on your dreams. It's okay to put your dreams aside, but always follow what your heart wants, just like what I'm doing here in Mr. Pampanga. I waited 13 years for this opportunity, and here I am chasing this dream because I feel like I owe it to myself to follow that dream until I can, as long as I can. And that's all. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Never stop dreaming.
Magandang hapon. My name is Eric from Hopin, Philippines, and ang katanungan na ito ay para kay Minalin. Magandang hapon, Mr. Minalin. Hindi pa ako napupunta sa Minalin. Kung ako ay bibisita, saan mo ko dadalhin at bakit?
Hello po, thank you. So, if dadalhin po kita sa Minalin, I would rather take you to the places of like sa mga farming area nila and fishing area nila, because that's what Minalins are rich for, and that's their pride. Just underrated, a little bit underrated, but yeah, that's their pride. That's it.
Hi, good afternoon. This is John Ray from Tiaraholics. Sino pa po hindi natatanong?
Santo Tomas.
Let's go with Masantol.
Hello, good afternoon, John Ray.
My first name?
Anyway, Kapampangan pageant kings and queens are very prominent on the national stage. Sa iyong palagay, ano kaya ang meron sa mga konteserong Kapampangan at bakit napakalakas nila sa national stage?
Thank you for that question. I believe that it's very evident that Kapampangan queens and kings are very powerful in terms of pageant industry. I think the main reason is that there is an organization that really is supporting them all throughout from the very first start of their of their crowning up to the very end. If you have that support system, you will be able to compete well, and I believe that they are all well prepared, not only emotionally, mentally, of course financially, because of the organization support. Thank you.
Hello, hi, I'm Brian from Pageant Spectacle. So, I'd like to ask Porak. Okay, my question is, what is the best advice na na-receive mo? And what do you think is the best advice na ibinigay mo?
As a person who embodies personality and characters, one of the biggest or the most important advice that I receive and I get is be who you are. Be the best version of yourself. Like what our king said earlier, be genuine, be authentic, and be the best version of yourself. Thank you.
Thank you.
Santo Tomas? Yeah, Santo Tomas, please.
Hello.
I'm Ferdy again from Eventology. My question for you is, if ever you won the title on May 3 ba? 9, May 9, how would you promote Pampanga on the national stage?
Thank you for that question. If I were to be given the opportunity to win the crown, first thing that I would do is to, of course, connect with today's generation by reigniting their Kapampangan pride. I think that's one of the problems that we are facing at the moment is some of the youth are disconnected already in the culture. Most of them are, going out of place just to purchase or to pursue better opportunities, where we have a lot to offer here in Pampanga. And as Mr. Pampanga, I will definitely implement a lot of the things that we have here, such as the great culture, traditions, not just from being part of the culinary excellence in the Philippines, but also a lot to offer. And I want the youth to know that success is not seen or is not requiring you to leave your hometown or your identity, where we should all just embrace it. That'll be all. Thank you.
Good afternoon, this is Jal Lopez again from Pageant Noble. So my question is for Candaba, Mr. Candaba. Alright, so Candaba is known for Candaba Swamp, which is one of the migratory areas of some birds and species from different places going to the Philippines. So my question is quite similar with Arayat. How would you keep protecting this particular place, especially with the rapid urbanization and climate change that affects migratory birds going here in Candaba, Pampanga?
As a Candaba represent, siguro po masasabi ko na ang lahat ng mga taga-Candaba ay masisipag. At alam ko Candaba is known as magandang place na kung marami din po mga farming and mga palaisdaan na pwedeng pasyalan doon. Thank you po.
Thank you.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, thank you so much to our media partners and the 22 official candidates for Mr. Pampanga.